Continuing our chapter, we are going to study more mechanical calculating devices. Hello, I am Roshan Kadel. I am your computer teacher for grade 8. I will be guiding you through the chapter History of Computer. So, next mechanical calculator is stepped Rockner or Leibniz wheel. It was invented by Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz in 1673 AD. This is how a Leibniz wheel or step rocker looks like. Step rocker was the expanded form of Pascal's idea. Step rocker used Pascal's idea but added something there and made his own new version known as stepped rocker. Step rocker could do multiplication by repeated addition and shifting. If you remember in Pascal, multiplication and division were done by repeated addition and subtraction respectively, but here shifting is also done. This calculator could add or subtract an 8-digit number to and from a 16-digit number. It could multiply 8-digit number to get 16-digit product, or it could divide 16-digit number to get 8-digit divisor. This means the maximum limit of the digit that could be calculated or operated in Pascaline was 8-digit, but here in stepped reckoner we can calculate up to 16-digit numbers. Stepped reckoner was based on a gear mechanism that Leibniz invented, which is now known as Leibniz wheel. Step reckoner was used in many calculating machines until 1970. You see, it was invented in 1673 AD and was in use up to 1970, means more than 3 centuries. Next one is Jacquard's loom. This is how a Jacquard's loom looks like. You see these are the punch card, these are the punch card, and these you see these dots are punch holes. These are important for the further lessons, and this is how a Jacquard's loom looks like. This Jacquard's loom was invented by Joseph Marie Jacquard in 1804 AD. What we have to know about Jacquard loom is that it was the first device to use punched card with punch holes. You see these are the punch card and these are the punch holes. Due to Jacquard loom, mill owners were in very much profit, but many workers who worked in the mill company lost their job because of this invention. Why? Because it was a automatic device. Punch card used to control the loom, and the weaving was done automatically. So due to the automation, many of the workers had lost their work. Idea of punch card which Joseph Jacquard developed was used by many other scientists for very important inventions, like Charles Babbage used it to control analytical engine. Also, it was used by Herman Hellrith for tabulating 1890 USA census, count the number of people in the country. Next one, Jacquard's loom did not give any mathematical result. You see, Jacquard loom was actually produced for the mills, but it was the first device to do the work automatically. So it is very important. Next one is Charles Babbage. He was a popular mathematician, philosopher, inventor and mechanical engineer. He was the first person to develop the concept of model digital computer. He was the person to give the principle of input, process and output. If we follow the definition of computer, we see computer is an electronic device that takes raw data as input, processes it and gives output, and we store the data in the storage device. He was the person to give this principle: input, process, output and storage. Charles Babbage's computers or devices used mathematical tables which were used in navigation, science and engineering. The calculations were done by hand and results were put or compiled in the tables. The concept of error and box were also invented or known in his period. He is also known as the father of modern computer. Charles Babbage invented two engines or known as Babbage engines. The first one is difference engine. Charles Babbage invented it in 1822 AD. Difference engine was the automatic mechanical calculator designed to tabulate polynomial function. It was big in size and was powered by steam. Steam means vapors. Okay. It used to tabulate functions by small set of polynomial coefficient or divided differences. Next one is analytical engine. It was the second invention of Babbage, introduced in 1833 AD. The analytical engine was general purpose mechanical computer. This is how an analytical engine looked like. Analytical engine had following components. It had the store like memory, the mill like processing unit, the input section using punch card and the output section using punch card. Input, storage, output, process. Now Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace. She was the assistant of Charles Babbage. She was the first person to recognize the full potential of computer machine. She said that computer could do a lot of things more than only the numerical calculations. She developed an algorithm person to use algorithm and write the programs. So she is known as the first programmer. She was the one to realize that computer can do more than mathematical operations. Okay, let's revise. There are three types of calculator. One is mechanical calculators, second one is electromechanical calculator and the third one is electronic calculator. So far we have completed mechanical calculators. In further classes we will discuss about the electromechanical calculators and electronic calculators. Thank you. I hope you will use the lesson to understand and deliver a memorable piece for mechanical calculators.